Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to create custom controls. So first let us understand about the custom control and how page and control works together. All server-side controls derive from the class system.web.ui control. So the server-side control, it can be a text box, it can be a list box or combo box, whatever it is. All those controls derive from system.web.ui control. An ASP.NET page is represented by the class system.ui.page, which is subclassed from the control class. So as you see, all the server-side controls are derived from UI control, right? The web page itself is a control instance. So that means it is derived from system.web.ui page, that is derived from UI control. Important members of the page class are application. This object represents the state of the ASP.NET web application. Right, for entire application, the property holds the application related information. Next is request, object representing the data from the browser. So let's say this is your web browser, and let's assume that it is running the IIS web server, and this will be your web browser. Right, when it is sending information, we call that as a request. So the client computer is requesting something on the web server. So we can state that this request is represented by the request object representing the data from the browser. Response, object representing the reply from the server. Right, object representing the reply from the server is what called response, and it is represented by the object response. Session object representing the connected user session. See, a connected user, right? A connected user can have multiple request and response to fulfill their need. After that, they may close the browser. Once they close the browser, their session is terminated. But till when they opened the browser and send subsequent request based on the response, we call all those as a session. So a session is comprised of one or more request response cycles. Controls. So this object represents collection of controls added to the page. Suppose as part of response, if user is seeing a web page, and if that web page contains multiple controls, then those controls are represented by the collection controls. Is post back tells request is new or data post. So for the very first time, if a user is requesting a page, we call that as a first request. The subsequent request to the same page will be called as post back. So is post back is a property that tells whether the request is a post back or the very first request. Init is a trigger that get fired when page is initialized. Load is an event, so it indicates a page is loaded. unload event indicates page is unloaded. In the next video, we will create custom control to know how ASP.NET works with the controls. There is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.